So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make millions of coins easily in FIFA Mobile 23. So make sure to like and subscribe if you are excited for it. So right now we've got the Ultimate Team of the Year event, of course, and you can make quite a few amount of coins with this. First of all, if you go into the Ultimate Team of the Year or the Team of the Year, we've got Ultimate Team of the Year section right here where we can go ahead and open these packs. Obviously, we know that we need to play the skill games, matches, as well as this tournament right here, Versus Attack tournament or head-to-head. But if you go ahead and play Versus Attack, you're guaranteed to get 15 wins if you lower your team. And with that, you can get a lot of points, a lot of tokens, sorry, Team of the Year tokens, and open these packs right here. You can go ahead and open 10 packs with that, and you're gonna be able to pack some of the players, maybe some of the decent players. And with those players, you can go ahead and sell them, of course. But most importantly, when you go ahead and open those packs, you're gonna complete 2 of these milestones. And with these milestones, you got a chance to pack 111 and 112 overall players, which will give you a lot of coins, of course. But at least you're gonna pack 110 overall from here and 109 overall from here, and that's just guaranteed coins. Pretty much the first way is to go ahead and play the skill games, play the tournament, play challenge mode, as well as do quests, all that, and make sure to do these 2 milestones and open those packs to get extra coins. Make sure to sell them straight away as well, because their prices are gonna go down. So for example, I've done that with Bellingham right here. As you can see, I managed to sell Bellingham, and I managed to sell Klose as well, the card that I already had in my team. So that's extra 78 million coins for me, which is quite a few coins, right? And as I said, to go ahead and open as many Team of the Year packs as possible, you need to play this tournament every single week 7 times, and the challenge mode, which is still here today, and you can play this challenge mode 3 times every single week and play the skill games and all that. Also, you will probably have a lot of Team of the Year players in your team right now, a lot of Team of the Years that you haven't managed to sell. For example, I'll go some of the 107s, 106s, 105s that you can see right here, and what you need to do is just list them up, because at some point they're most likely gonna sell. So for example, I'll go 107 overall Hurricane, then there, and this go 999 plus listings. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna sell these cards. Ederson as well, I've got another Ederson. They are at their minimum price right now, so they can't go any lower. This 107s, 106s, 105s. So you just need to go ahead and sell them. And as I said, at some point they are gonna sell. I've sold quite a few of my players like that. So yeah, Hakimis as well. I'm gonna go and sell 3 of my Hakimis that I have, and most likely in a couple of days max they are gonna sell. I'm gonna show you that. I'm gonna show you in another video when they sell as well. So just list them up. Doesn't matter if they've got 999 plus listings. Like 106s, 105s are most likely gonna sell. 107s as well. 104s, it's gonna be a little bit more difficult, but I think they are still gonna sell, because a lot of people are still opening the Team of the Year packs, and they are gonna pack them, and some people are buying them for some of the exchanges. So here we go, Bellingham. I've got 2 Bellinghams, 1 Kimmich right there as well. Let me go ahead and sell 106 overall Bellingham here, and Kimmich. I'm gonna list all of them up, as I said. 106 overall Kimmich, even though they've got 999 plus listings, and I'm gonna do some of them off camera, because I've got a lot of 105 overall cards, 104 overall cards. But as I said, I'm listing them up, so they're gonna sell at some point. Obviously, 999 plus overall cards, I'm not gonna sell straight away, but you just need to list them up and forget about them, and at some point they're gonna sell. This was the same thing with other events as well, with the World Cup event, with the event before that and after that as well. So yeah, same thing pretty much with that as well. Also, if you got high overall players in your teams, I would also suggest you to sell them. For example, the Team of the Tournament cards, I've got Griezmann right here, I've got Bruno Fernandes, I've got some other cards. I am not selling them because I don't really care too much about that much coins for me. But if you go something like Team of the Tournament, Messi, Mbappe, Stones, Hernandez, any of those cards, I would suggest you to sell them as well, because their prices are gonna go down even more. Now, also in the Team of the Year section, do not forget to go into the Prime Icon section and watch these ads every single day. Like, you can watch 3 of these ads, and you can get 12 Prime tokens every day, and you can open these packs as well, where you can still pack some other decent players, some other decent Team of the Year players, and sell them off that way as well. And in the store, we've got some of the packs. If you spend money on the game, we've got 500 FIFA point packs. It's gone for me because I opened all of them, but we still got 2500 gem packs right here. If you got gems, you need to open this and you're gonna pack some decent players from that as well. I actually packed some of the 106s, 107s from here, and you've got a chance to pack an Ultimate Team of the Year player, which is great as well. Make sure to open your free pack as well, so you will get an extra reward from here. We've got 2 prime tokens. I'll take that. Prime tokens are decent for me. Prime tokens are decent. And in the star pass, of course, make sure to complete all the quests, play the event and all that to get higher, to get more rewards in the star pass and get more gems, FIFA points, transfer tokens, as well as more packs. And at the end, if you have bought the star pass, then you're gonna get Eric Cantona as well. Now in the exchanges, I said it a lot of times, I wouldn't suggest you to do these exchanges. Maybe if you go like a lot of 101 overall players, just like I do, you might want to do a couple of them, so you're gonna pack like 105, and it is easier to sell those 105 overall players. If you want to do that, that's alright, but to be honest, I would not really suggest you to do this. Now let's see who you're gonna pack from this one. English, central back, is it Stones? No, it's Tomori. So we packed 103 overall. Oh no, 104, sorry. So that was not awful, but that was not that great either. Let me go ahead and end the video by opening this pack as well, because why not? I can, right? I can. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I've got enough 104 overall players. I'm just gonna put some players that I've got 2 of them. Alright. I'm gonna take him out and put, for example, I'm gonna put Bono in. Alright. That's alright for me. No, I need to put one more player. Let's go ahead and put Giroud. Why not? Right, we're gonna end the video by opening this 106 plus overall player pack. It's gonna be a guaranteed walkout. Hopefully it's a 108. We got Portuguese, we've got a left winger from AC Milan. I don't know what overall he is. He's 107. Okay, 107 overall Rafael Leao, and I will be able to sell him for 18 mil. So that was not awful. Obviously, those 104 overalls, I could have sold them. In the future, I could have sold them for quite a few coins, but I'll take guaranteed coins with Rafael Leao. Obviously, it says that he's got 200 listings, but I'm gonna list him up again, and at some point, I'm quite sure that he's gonna sell. I sold my 108 overall Neymar and my 108 overall Mane as well. Obviously, you can get extra coins by playing some other events that we've got. We've got the Heroes event. If you want some extra coins, don't forget about that as well. Heroes Journey event right here. You can go ahead and play this one every single week, the challenges, and get heroes points from two sides, and at the end you're gonna get super scores, and you can go ahead and claim high overall players there as well. As you can see, phase 4 players, there are phase 3, phase 2, phase 1 players, but the phase 4 players are the best, and they're worth quite a few coins. So make sure to play that as well, and all the other rewards that we've got. Anyways, this is gonna be the end of the video, guys, for today. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and peace.